BlackVue Elite 8-2CH dashcam, 64 gigabytes plus B-130A battery. Review script. Have you ever wondered what happens to your vehicle while you're not around? What if there was a way to keep an eye on it 24/7 without draining your car's battery? Introducing the BlackVue Elite 8-2CH dashcam with a B-130A battery, the ultimate solution for capturing sharp, high-quality footage both day and night, with features that go far beyond just recording your drive. At first glance, the BlackVue Elite 8-2CH dashcam might seem like just another dashcam. But when you dig into the specs, you'll find it offers something special. Featuring dual 2K QHD front and rear recording, it captures incredibly detailed footage in high definition with STARVIS 2 sensors. This means whether it's bright daylight or low light conditions at night, you're getting the clearest footage possible. But it doesn't stop there. Dual HDR ensures you get well-balanced visuals even in challenging lighting conditions. So no matter what's happening in or around your vehicle, you can rest assured the footage will be crystal clear. Let's talk about Smart Parking Mode, a standout feature. When your car is parked, the BlackVue Elite continuously monitors its surroundings, automatically detecting any motion or impact. Pre-event recording ensures that it saves footage both before and after an event, providing complete context for incidents, whether it's a fender bender or someone bumping into your car. This feature is invaluable for peace of mind, especially when you're away from your vehicle for extended periods. Now, one of the most impressive aspects of this dashcam is the long-lasting power supply. The included B-130A battery allows up to 30 hours of parking mode without draining your vehicle's battery. This is a game changer for those of us who often leave our cars parked for extended periods. You won't have to worry about your car's battery running dry, and your dashcam will always be ready to record, no matter how long it's parked. The dashcam also comes with fast charging via USB-C. Recharging is quick, and in case the internal temperature or voltage exceeds safety limits, the system has overheat protection to ensure it stays safe and functional. This thoughtful touch gives you peace of mind, knowing your device will last, even in extreme conditions. When it comes to installation, BlackVue has made it easy. The dashcam connects directly to your car's DC power, and with Wi-Fi and cloud access, you can instantly review and download footage. This makes setup seamless, and you can always stay connected to your dashcam no matter where you are. Let's break it down. Pros: high-quality 2K footage, superior low-light performance with STARVIS 2, impressive parking mode, long battery life with B-130A, fast USB-C charging, easy installation with Wi-Fi cloud access. Cons: the price point might be higher than other dashcams, and installation, though simplified, might still be a bit tricky for users without prior dashcam experience. Compared to similar models, the BlackVue Elite excels in parking mode and battery life. While alternatives may offer decent video quality or parking detection, none provide the comprehensive 30-hour monitoring or the same quality in both day and night conditions. If you're someone who's looking for a premium dashcam with all the bells and whistles, and you want to make sure your vehicle is always protected, then the BlackVue Elite 8-2CH dashcam is a strong option. If you're not as concerned with parking mode or don't need that high-end video quality, there are more budget-friendly options out there, but they won't offer the same level of security or convenience. If you found this review helpful and want to be the first to know about fresh, in-depth reviews just like this one, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell icon to never miss out. Who's it for? This dashcam is ideal for car owners who value top-notch video quality and robust parking mode functionality, but may not be the best option for those looking for a simple, budget-friendly camera. In conclusion, if you're looking for a premium dashcam that gives you peace of mind and offers excellent video quality both day and night, the BlackVue Elite 8-2CH dashcam is a solid choice. Just be mindful of its premium price. If you're on a tighter budget, consider some alternative models like the Thinkware Q800 PRO or Vantrue N4, which offer solid performance at a lower cost. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or have already tried this dashcam, drop a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And as always, links to the product are in the description. Until next time, keep your eyes on the road and your ride automated.